Hi mga kainsan. For today's video is ongoing for my house. This is so very hot mga kaangko. Super hot in the Philippines. But I know it's so hot talaga. And to reveal my house and a second floor house is just a true house. Wait. And ayan guys, for today's video is ayan na, itutur ko na po sa inyo ang aming bahay na second floor. Let's go, hagdan namin guys. And this is my hagdan. This is my house and second floor. It's a second floor. Oh my gosh, it's so very we're excited my house and my future. Oh, hi! Tignan niyo. Ayan, tignan niyo. Ang aming bahay. Is this my... Let's go. Oh my God.